Do you dream of buying the right stock at the right time and becoming rich overnight? This might sound too good to be true, but some stocks have seen their prices surge by over 1,000% within a few years. So which high-growth stocks should you add to your portfolio? And how much could they earn you? Let's break down 9 high-growth stocks that could make you a fortune. Our first stock is at the forefront of medical research. Anavex Life Sciences Corp. Has developed a new drug called blarcamesine, which could revolutionize the lives of people with Alzheimer's. While it's not a cure, it will give years of extra lucidity to those battling the disease. Given that 7 million people in the US have Alzheimer's, a number that could boom to 14 million by 2060, this could be big business. Currently, this drug is being reviewed by the FDA and EU. If the drug is approved, the price of Anavex Life Sciences Corp. Could skyrocket overnight as investors leap onto this burgeoning opportunity. Another interesting high-growth stock to consider is Netflix. This entertainment titan ushered in the era of streaming, changing the way that we watch TV forever. This has seen massive rewards for early shareholders as the stock price surged by over 1,000% in 10 years. But Netflix's reign is far from over. It is looking to expand into video games, sports, and even real-world entertainment experiences. With these new revenue streams, investors can expect the astronomical growth to continue. As the digital world grows more important, cybersecurity has never been more valuable. That's what is driving the strong growth Palo Alto Networks Inc. has experienced. This stock is the largest pure-play cybersecurity play on the market. It's seen impressive growth in the past 5 years, with the stock price increasing by more than 400%. Are you looking for a way to capitalize on the crypto boom? Then you might be interested in MicroStrategy. This started as a company that helped companies streamline their data and track business growth. But after seeing the crypto boom coming, they completely changed their approach, investing heavily into Bitcoin. Today, they are the largest corporate holder in Bitcoin, and they continue to buy millions of crypto each year. This strategy has paid off as the stock price has grown by over 1,500% in the past 5 years. As long as the price of Bitcoin keeps rising, the stock price will continue to soar. Another futuristic stock is Rocket Labs. As the name suggests, this company specializes in rockets, including building and launching spacecraft. This includes developing Neutron, a reusable rocket which could be ready by late 2025. Investors are already flying high, with the stock price increasing by over 570% in 5 years. And as demand for space tourism takes off, this stock will likely reach new heights. However, one of the hottest sectors in this market is AI. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. So, how can you take advantage of this massive opportunity? The first option is to invest in the companies that are developing groundbreaking AI tools. Investors shouldn't overlook Palantir Technologies. This company specializes in organizing complex data, making it easier for companies to make complex decisions. Their innovative AI tools have attracted some of the biggest organizations on the planet, including names like BP, Raytheon, and Walmart. But their most high-profile contract is with the US government, which pays them billions to use their AI in the Department of Defense. These multi-billion-dollar deals have made Palantir Technologies investors rich, with the stock growing in value by over 1,500% in the last 5 years. The 7th high-growth stock to consider is one of the most dominant technological companies on the planet. Alphabet, which owns Google, is investing heavily in AI. They own Gemini, which is one of the best chatbots in the world. They also own Waymo, the autonomous taxi company. But this is just the beginning. They plan to invest more than $85 billion to build massive new data centers. Thanks to this commitment to AI, the stock has increased by over 200% in the past 5 years. You don't need to invest in AI tools to get rich. For the technology to work, AI requires massive data centers. This can create a lucrative opportunity for smart investors, as evidenced by the astronomical rise of NVIDIA. Their GPUs are essential to processing the mountain of information required to fuel the AI boom. They also own massive data centers, which companies pay to access. This has led to the stock price to surge by over 1,200% in the last 5 years. Want to know the best part? The AI boom is just getting started, with more companies rushing to get their hands on the computing power NVIDIA provides. Even better, if emerging technologies like self-driving cars take off, analysts think the market for NVIDIA chips will explode. But is the market overlooking one of the biggest AI powerhouses in the world? Investors have poured trillions in American AI companies like NVIDIA and Alphabet, but the Chinese-owned Alibaba has been largely ignored. However, this company has been making big technological strides. AI is used heavily on its e-commerce site to automate product listings and provide more personalized search recommendations. But that's not all. They have built some of the most popular and powerful open-source AI models in the world. This is just the beginning, with the company planning to spend more than $50 billion on new data centers. This has seen the stock price grow by over 400% in the past 5 years. Despite this huge growth, many analysts believe the stock is still undervalued and predict the price will continue to skyrocket. Each of these trailblazing companies has the potential to deliver unprecedented growth. And, for the lucky few, investing in the right business at the right time can make them overnight millionaires. But what do you think? Are these 9 high-growth stocks going to soar to new heights and make you rich? Tell us in the comments below.